So welcome back, friends. So in this class, we are going to learn about the domain verification procedure in case of you are the agency owner, you are running a agency and you would like to verify the domain of your client and how to do that one. Okay. So how to do that one if you are an agency owner and you would like to verify the domain of your client. So how to do this one? Let us see the procedure. Then go to the your account, go to all settings or the business settings. Okay, go to business.facebook.com and then open the business settings. And then from here you have to go to the from the business settings, go to the brand safety. Under this one, you will find the domains here. Okay, you will find the option domains here. Okay, so create a new domain. It is asking, and one thing to remember: one domain is verified one time only. Okay, okay, one domain is verified one time only. Okay, so request access to a domain. So I am domain name. Domain name is what? What is your domain? Somebody give me the domain. I will show you how to access the domain from the client and verify that on behalf of them. Okay. Enter the
Digital
domain
Nizamuddin, sir.
that you want to access and select the access levels that you need. Your request will be sent to the domain owner. Okay. So what is that one? We have pulsemoney.com. Then we have what? Digital Javi. Please
sir,
share your
Digital
domain,
Javi.
friends.
Digital
Share
Javi,
the
sir.
domain here. Or what? Javid, what is your domain? Please on your domain. Voice. Your voice is not clear. Shifa Hub, right? Shifa Hub .com.in. Okay. Shifa Hub dot. Let me confirm once. Shifa Hub .com. .in. Beautiful domain you have created. Hmm. Excellent. Carry on. Okay, anyhow. So what I will do, I copy this domain. I copy this domain and then I link to domain. Add a link to this domain in your ads and customize the text or creative content. Request access. First, I need to add the domain. Okay. So here is it added, not added. So now I will create a new domain first and then I add a domain. Shifa. Okay. Shifa hub.com. Okay. And then I add. Now it is added. Okay. And then what I have to do here? How can I verify the domain? So I am copying the link here and then okay. So let's verify the shipahub.com as well or digitaljavit.in. Your wish, okay, your wish. What it will do? I have copied the Shipa Hub. So this is the what paste this URL, okay, copy this URL and go to your what website, go to your website header session, okay, code snippet or header and footer session you will be having under this code snippets, okay. Then go to the header section and just enter the domain and then save, okay, then publish, that's it. Save and changes automatically, your domain will be verified here, okay. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is not coming. Is it okay, friends? So let us open your friend, okay, and then you can go to verification, okay. For either case, I can verify your domain here also. One more, I can add you a domain here. Create a new domain, digital Javi, digital. Digital Javi. I'm adding your domain now. Okay, now I am copying this code. Okay, then you paste this domain, this code. You paste this code in your. Okay, this is the digital Javi code, meta code verification code. You can verify this one. Okay. In some cases, if you find any difficulty in verifying your domain, if you find it, you can add it. If it is not verified, just remove it. Select the domain, remove, and then you can start again verification. Once the domain is verified, it is not required for the next time. Okay. But if it is not verified, then you can verify like this. Okay. Is it okay? Digital Javira, the Shiba. Have you pasted it there? Let us verify. Or digital Javira, digital Javira. I hope you have pasted the code. Then I'm verifying as I'm not the owner. Maybe it is not verified on behalf of me. So request the access is one of the option fields to verify the domain. Okay. So anyhow, okay. So you are searching where the header is there. So here you can go to header session, go to the WP admin, and then go to the code snippets. Code snippets. This is the code snippets. I hope this is a what WP code snippet like one plugin is there. If it is not installed, then you can install the code snippets plugin. Okay, all of you do remember code snippet plugin. You have to install. If you okay, so better to install this code snippet plugin, and then you can uh, do this one. Okay, header and footer option will be there. Okay, otherwise you can find in some cases in this appearance section only you will be having here header file editor like that. Okay, header footer editor file like that you will be having the header and footer section like that. Okay. Is it over, friends? Okay, codes, snippets, plugin you need to install, and then you can do from your end. Okay. So let us go to the next class. Okay, next topic, let us jump into the next class. So next class is, so how to create a pixel. How to create a pixel. So do remember, friends,